Tapos ano yan chopper. Naka-airplane. Never yan bumabiyahe. Phoenix. Kara! Alam mo ka, please. Kara! At nilikso ka si mama. We got beef bowl. So, parang beef gyudon. Yes, quiz. Sarap, quiz. Yum. Gyoza. Wait, anong ramen yan, kuya?
It's premium pork.
Premium pork. Ate is also having beef gyudon. Is it beef gyudon?
Yeah.
And here we have spam musuki. Yummers.
Yan bago yan, no? Wala pa yan natin.
And here's Ricardo.
Diba, Mami?
Wala? Hati na lang. Tuwalo ka nanda. You have to capture the reactions. Sarap.
It's hot.
Ilan mo, Mami?
Ate. Oh, see me. Let's try it as well. Yung tripod, hindi ko naisip. Hindi ko kasi kinabit eh. You should try Japanese mayo. Mas masarap siya. Have you tried? Give it a try. Sige na. That lang. I love Japanese mayo. Kung gusto mo din ng masarap na
Hindi lang. Ako may lagay lang ng mayo.
Japan.
Japan.
Ganda-ganda ng batang to. We're trying out the spam musubi. Deconstructed.
Doon ba kayo?
Ako. Sa
Kung i-rate mo tong video dito sa Amerika, malayo pa rin. Pwede.
hindi naman. Sarap eh.
Pwede na din na.
Algi doon sa Japan.
Kasi hindi natin na-try nag-view doon. Yung kasama kami.
Ang natatandaan ko lang na kinain natin nung unang Japan.
Ramen at saka nag-katsu tayo.
Oo, katsu ramen. At saka yung sa Gotemba. Na ako curry. Pero yung iba, hindi ko matandaan kung ano kinain natin. Kahit isa. Sa Disneyland. Sarap naman. This reminds me of Yoshinoya. The gyoza is also good, pero medyo maliit for American serving. And gyoza. Di ba usually gyoza malaki? Ito, meron kaming kinainan sa Japan na ang sarap-sarap ng spam musubi. Doon lang yung tinda nila, mga musubi. Yung iba, tuna, salmon, or
Ano ba yung
something.
spam musubi talaga? Yung na-ready, na-spam talaga.
Ah,
Kinain niya, sino ba yun?
Mami Heidi.
Kinain din nung pinapunta.
Hindi ko kasi nagustuhan Sa Korea ko na-try yun. Hindi ko masyadong...
Hindi yun.
Meron. Ay, ito? Wala. kayo. Eh si ate Kai nga, tsaka si Kuya Tom. We're on a hunt for candy. We're looking for mango salt. Hi guys. First ever video here. Thank you, Ate Nix and Kuya Ong for my camera. Oh my gosh. Zoomed out. I video. Ganda. Hi. Hi guys, we're having lunch. It's from Flippies. So this is their pizza. It's thick and fatty and juicy. Juicy pizza. Ayan, it's stuffed with like olives, onions. Ano yung kulay green? Pickles? Ano yung kulay green? I'm not sure. Green olives. Ganyan ata. And then we have
Pepper. Green bell pepper.
bell pepper, yeah. We have ravioli and lasagna na number. Now we're gonna be eating, pero hindi ko pa alam paano i-stand to. So, mouth ko na lang. Nagaganyan ako. So, natikman ko na yung pizza. The pizza is good, however, it's too much. Parang, I like my pizza simple with just pepper. By the way, we're using the new camera, the gift of Ate and Kuya. And I can't help but look at myself kasi kita-kita ko na yung sarili ko. And ganda ko pala.
Oh, look, they have this
Where's spicy?
sa UTC.
Punta tayo!
Asa this sa Kuya.
Papunta natin si Tita, di ba? Sama naman ako. Iba-vlog ko yun. Tinix, mabait kang tao. Kailangan ko ng tissue.
That looks good. I want that now.
Ayun. Water. Water daw.
Oh, isang yun na.
Hindi ko yung pamangkin ko. Ayoko lang hawakan yung camera ngayon.
Breezy.
Ay, ang gusto niya, kamo, yung green na ano, pahaba. Beans. Green beans ba yun? Peppers to the pizza.
Nakita nga dun sa post ni Bella Padilla, yung mga outfit niya. Gusto ko yung jacket.
Anong
And
jacket
I saw it. Found it. Well, it's expensive.
Anong jacket niya?
Siyang ganito eh.
Ooh! Pizza and Coke.
Ito, I want this. Ang ganda sa kanya.
Anong brand yan?
And the tiny big sister.
Shut up.
Ang ganda! I like it. That's my taste.
Ate patayo eh.
Let's go. Go?
I'll just eat for a minute, okay?
Sure. Kahit lang.
So, ewan ko kung ako lang ba yung sa pizza, inuuna ko yung crust. Kasi I hate that part. So, inuuna ko na siyang kainin. Siguro kakain ako nito mga...
Someone's to show up.
Hi, Carl. Say hi.
Where's Cara? She
Mmm.
likes it. She can see herself.
Wala na yung brownies. Wala na pinulutong brownies. This is the ravioli. First time kong kumain ng ravioli. I think. It's that big, girl. So it's stuffed with cheese, meat, and red sauce all over. Masarap naman siya. However, parang medyo overwhelming yung cheese. Tapos parang bland cheese siya. So, it's not my favorite, but I'm gonna eat that. Hi. Hi. Now we have the lasagna here. And natikman ko na silang lahat actually. And I loved the lasagna. It's probably my favorite amongst all the orders. Hindi na siya super init. Pero masarap pa din siya. Lasagna so good. Busog na ako. Meanwhile, we're gonna finish this up. See you later, alligator. We're gonna be making drinks for everyone. It's quite chilly outside. Really? Crying on my vlog? Crying on my vlog? Excuse me? Today is quite chilly. It's 50 something degrees outside. Fahrenheit, of course. So, we're gonna be making drinks for everyone. So, Ate Nix requested hot cocoa. And, me and Kuya will have matcha. I can't help myself from looking at the viewfinder. Or, the screen kasi first time ko yan. And, ganda-ganda ako sa sarili ko today.